Want to speak real Korean from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at KoreanClass101.com.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Korean whiteboard lesson. My name is Keijin. 안녕하세요, Keijin입니다. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your well-being in Korean. Let's get started. So, if you know how to say yes, I've been well, you want to know how to say other ways to say, oh, I've been so-so, or no, I haven't been well. So you only need to know these 4 words. First, 잘, that's what we just learned here. 잘, it means well. 잘. 아주 잘, 아주 잘. It means very well. 아주 means very. 아주 잘, very well. Next, 그냥 그렇게. 그냥 그렇게. It means so-so. 그냥 means just, and 그렇게 means like that. So it literally means just like that. In English, it's like so-so. 그냥 그렇게. Next, we have 잘못. 잘못. We just learned 잘 here, right? It's well. 못 means not. So 잘못, it means not well. 잘못. Okay, so let's look at the dialogue. 잘 지냈어요? 네, 잘 지냈어요. Listen one more time. 잘 지냈어요? 네, 잘 지냈어요. It's a very common way to ask, have you been well? 잘 지냈어요? 잘 지냈어요? Have you been well? So it's like, how are you? Or how have you been? 잘 지냈어요? And the answer would be, yes, I've been well. 네, 잘 지냈어요. 네, 잘 지냈어요. Yes, I've been well. I'm fine. I'm doing great. 네, 잘 지냈어요. So this is a really common way to say, how have you been? There is another way to ask, how are you? Which is, 잘 지내요? This one is like, how are you? So the person is asking your current status. This one is asking, how have you been? So your past. 잘 지냈어요? 잘 지내요? And as you can see here, you can see you at the end of the sentence. You makes the sentence polite. So if you want to say this sentence to your friends or someone who you are very close to or someone who is younger than you, you probably omit you here like this and ask, 잘 지냈어? Or 잘 지내? The answer will be, 응, 잘 지냈어. Without you. The answer will be, 응, 잘 지내. So this is how you ask your well-being, how you ask well-being to other people in Korean. So let's look at the examples. First, we have 네, 잘 지냈어요. This is what we learned in the dialogue today, right? So, yes, I have been well. 네, yes, 잘 means well. 지냈어요, I spent or I have been. Yes, I've been well. How about this? 네, 아주 잘 지냈어요. So we put this 아주 잘 here. So 아주 잘 지냈어요. Yes, I've been very well. 네, 아주 잘 지냈어요. How about this? 아니요, 그냥 그렇게 지냈어요. No, I've been so-so. 아니요, 그냥 그렇게 지냈어요. So 아니요 means no, 그냥 means just, 그렇게, like that. So just like that. I've been just like that. So it's I've been so, or it wasn't so good. But it wasn't really bad, but it wasn't so. It wasn't good. So it's like I've been so. How about this? 아니요. 잘 못 지냈어요. No, I have not been well. 아니요. 잘 못 지냈어요. So when someone asks you, how are you? How have you been? You can answer this way. So you can choose one of them and answer. 네, 잘 지냈어요. Or 아니요, 그냥 그렇게 지냈어요. Okay, so how can you use this vocabulary in the sentence pattern? So let's look at the pattern first. 네 or 아니요. Adverb that we just learned here and 지냈어요. So 네 means yes, 아니요 means no. 네 or 아니요. I've been adverb. So 지냈어요 literally means spent. It's a past form of spent, which is 지내다, 지내다. So you're talking about your past. No, I haven't been well. Yes, I've been well. So it means spent or past, past. So in English, it will be more like I have been. And adverb, you just need to put this adverb here. Do you remember how to say well? 잘. And how to say I've been well? 잘 지냈어요. 잘 지냈어요. Do you remember how to say yes? 네. And how to say yes, I've been well? 네, 잘 지냈어요. 네, 잘 지냈어요. Do you remember how to say very well? 아주 잘. And how to say so. 그냥 그렇게. Do you remember how to say not well? 잘못. That's it for this lesson. In this lesson, we've learned how to talk about your well-being in Korean. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Kejin and I'll see you on KoreanClass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.